Hey guys, DMS here. Today I have for you this, the Topping A50S. Let's check it out. Alright, well this is an unboxing, not a review, so if you want to see the full review, make sure you stick around, but I'm going to give this a quick unboxing and my impressions on it, so let's check it out. Also, before I get this all the way open, do me a favor, click that subscribe button down below. It only takes you just a second, and it really helps the channel out, so I appreciate it. Okay, what do we got in here? A50S user manual. I'm probably not going to be reading that. I know, such a shame. I wouldn't read the user manual. Okay, we've got a power adapter in here. Twist on, so we can use international plugs. We'll set that right there, get this box out of the way. There's a 1/4" adapter on there, but I don't think I'll be using that at the time. Okay, here we go. So, on this little amp, we have power, a 1/4", a 4.4, very nice feeling volume knob actually, that's very satisfying. This amp has a lot of weight to it. And on the back, power in, left and right in, and left and right out. I assume this is for a preamp. Let's get these covers off. This is really a solid block of metal. Ow, geez, that actually, there wasn't even a sound of that. You hear that? Hear the bottom? Okay, the bottom is the piece that unscrews, but the top of that is just solid metal. Okay. Alright, so on the front of this button turns it on. You press it again to change from low to high gain, and you hold it if you want to turn it off. I'm going to plug up to the 4.4, and I'm going to leave it on low gain. It's a pretty impressive amount of gain. Let's switch it up to high. That is a surprising amount of juice coming out of this thing. Play something with some bass. This is getting my Dyna V2s above comfortable listening levels at a half volume, and it feels like it is properly driving them. That is really cool. Okay, well that's impressive. I'm going to switch over to another headphone now. 560S takes a lot less power. Very, very powerful, rich low end, and it's powering these effortlessly on low gain. Let's grab something even easier to power just for the sake of seeing how the noise floor is. Doesn't even sound like it's turned on when there's no volume there. No hiss. And both of these, the Sennheiser and this K361, were out of the 1/4". I was running my Dianas off the Pentagon, but this has got some decent juice. The Pentagon output of this peaks at 3.5 watts, which is more than enough power for most headphones. Based off what this is putting out, this is not going to have any trouble driving a lot of things. That's nuts. That's going to power Argon. That's going to power 600 ohm headphones like the DT880. Very good stuff. I am very happy with that. This is going to have a full review coming in the near future. If you want it before then, I will have a link in the video description to Apos Audio. That's who sent this to me. And there's also a video coming on these pretty soon, the K361, which initially my impressions on them were kind of mixed, but now I kind of like them quite a bit, and I found out what the problem was. So if you want to hear more about that, make sure you stick around and subscribe, because that video is coming soon too. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. Full review coming on this in the near future. If you like this video, please leave a like down below, a comment letting me know what you want to see in the future. If you want to get active in the community, you can at forum.hifiguides.com. And as always, don't forget to stick around and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Until the next one, guys. Peace.